I'm starting this series on Clojure cones. I'm been super excited about Clojure lately. I've really been getting into functional programming. Here at school, at my CS department, we focus a lot on C++ and all of its memory management. So going over to a more functional language I've really enjoyed. Not having to worry about allocating memory, and just all the headaches that pointers bring and everything. So in this series I'm going to go over all of these cones, which starts out pretty basic with equalities and heads towards the more heavier stuff with macros and atoms and all of the Clojure goodness. So I'll just make short little videos doing each cone down the list. So the first thing you need is Java, which as you can see, I'm on Java 1.8, so there's no problem there because it recommends 1.5 or greater. The next thing is you need to clone, you need a GitHub account, and you need to clone this repository. I have Lian installed, so I'm just going to be using this command, but if you don't want to install this, then I guess script \run will win, or will work. So here we go. Just to show you that I haven't gotten any of these done. Is it gonna take a while? There we go. So the first one, we shall contemplate truth by testing reality via equality. Also, I'm using Emacs here and iTerm here, so I'll get to demonstrate my Emacs skills or lack thereof. True equals true, and every time I save this file, the tests run. So here, it looks like the first test passed because the first failing test was to understand reality, we must compare our expectations against reality. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. I hope that's correct. And it is. You can test equality of many things. That will be 5, because that's 7. 7 is equals 7. Looks like passed. Some things may appear different, but be the same. So 2 equals 2 divided by 1. That would be true. Looks like that passed. Next one. You cannot generally float to the heavens of integers. This must mean that 2 and the float 2 are not the same. Got it right. But a looser equality is also possible. So double equals is a looser equality. So that's true, rather than JavaScript's loose equality by default with their double equals. Something is not equal to nothing. This is true. Strings and keywords and symbols, oh my. False. Make a keyword with your keyboard. So we'll just copy that word there. There we go. So line 33 is failing. Symbolism is all around us. These are great quotes. Hello. It's passing. When things cannot be equal, they must be different. When things cannot be equal, they must be different. True. It looks like we have all of these tests passing. So it looks like the wonderful contributors over at Clojure Cones has written a little cone engine to test each of these meditations. So that looks like we finished Clojure Cones 1. I look forward to completing this series.